If you're into Ripple Labs XRP, this is a video for you, as we have a court case update and we also have some insider metrics that are leading us to think that there is a big move coming. So let's go screen and explore the news. Ripple Labs' XRP leads other altcoins as on-chain metrics tap levels only seen before the legal battle. So yeah, let's talk some metrics first, and then we're going to give you guys a case update because the SEC is being naughty again, and I think we're reading in between the lines with this. All right, so what are some of these metrics? Well, I want to show you a chart they got right here. On orange, you could see this is active addresses. Look at the recent spikes that we have seen that have even blown out the highs of the last crypto summer, which was super, super hot, everyone. We have dormant token movement that is now becoming active. We have address activity on the spike. What else do we have, everyone? Remember that big volume pump last weekend when we saw 18.6 billion moved in a 24-hour period? That's not 18.6 billion token. That's $18.6 billion worth of XRP moved in a 24-hour period. That is a bunch. So insiders, there is something going on right here. The charts are showing us activity that we have not seen since February of 2020, everyone. And that's kind of my hypothesis here, is that maybe all of this insider stuff with the SEC case is telling people, hey, it's time to start moving on XRP. Got it one for you right here. The SEC first objected to Judge Sarah Netburn's order earlier this year to provide correspondence. We're talking about the Hinman stuff, right? And Judge Netburn said, hey, guess what? Hinman, attorney-client privilege, nope, not going to fit in this situation. But now the SEC is now trying to delay this even further, and I've got a statement for you. The SEC is embracing its litigation roles to further intend goal, not out of faithful allegiance to the law. This is evidenced by the hypocrisy in its arguments to the court that on one hand, the speech is not crucial to the market's understanding of how or whether the SEC will regulate cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, though, Hinman sought and obtained legal advice from SEC counsel drafting his speech. So you needed legal advice to draft your speech, but yet your speech really isn't something that's crucial to the market. Well, why would you need legal advice? And see, this is the SEC playing both sides. And I think that these investors, right, these whales that we have seen in these previous charts, these big volumes of movement, these dormant addresses that are now becoming active, this sure looks like people are reading in on this SEC stall tech is going, hey, the SEC knows that they're going to lose, so the best they can do is stall, hope for a technicality, something like that, or something just to fall off the rails, because, boy, it seems like they're grasping at straws here. I've got some words from Brad Garlinghouse that I think you'd be interested in. Ripple would have spent more than $100 million on legal expenses by the time the SEC litigation was resolved, says Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple. He highlighted that when all this was said and done, the company would have spent over $100 million on legal fees fighting the SEC. Garlinghouse said the fight is not just for Ripple, but for the whole industry. So now we have more delays, which incurs more costs, which means that comes out of the Ripple Labs team wallet. But the big thing that we're seeing here is this is not deterring investors. In fact, investors are looking at this going, hey, the XRP team can handle these fees, right? They seem to be doing a good job with it. We're seeing more movement right now than we have ever seen before in terms of volume, right? These weird volume spikes, and as well as these active wallets, right? These wallets that are dormant becoming active. This is all amazing stuff for XRP. And those are the key takeaways for you from these articles. It appears that the SEC is just dragging their feet, just trying to do a little bit of a stall tactic there. And investors seem to be reading in between the lines, making more on-chain activity noticeable. Yes, we can track this stuff because the blockchain does not lie. So comment below. What are your thoughts? Big XRP moves. I mean, this is exciting. I think we would rather have this excitement than just like dormant. So think, during this crypto winter, while prices are maybe not the best, the action is still hot with Ripple Labs XRP.